Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. For my next build I have some old kits and this one it was already pre-assembled. You see, I bought it on the cheap price and it's from Tamiya. I think you know the shape. It's Bell X-1 Mach Buster. So I will paint these clear parts because I don't want to see it inside, and I'm thinking to make a small diorama with it. It has some fine shape and a lot of details. I think yes, like this. So this is the cockpit. It's very small, but you can add some nice details. You see, this was already painted, and it has some parts that I need to fit it. So I will glue the parts and go and paint the fuselage.